Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. This is our project title, Trustworthy Parking Communities, helping your neighbor to find a space. This is the abstract of Trustworthy Parking Community. Vehicles are equipped with an array of sensor systems and assistant functions which can greatly enhance driving comfort and safety. However, in order to maximize their effect, these disparate systems need to cooperate with each other. Hence, vehicles do not have to rely on onboard sensor only, but can acquire further information from other systems, both mobile and fixed, in their environment. As the example, consider a scenario where driver on his way home from work is interested in a free parking spot on his downtown home street. The vehicle, the user geocached to send a corresponding query into the destination area. Trust is crucial in order to support the decision of whether the querying vehicle should rely on the retrieval information about free parking spot close to its destination and thus ignore other potentially free spot on the way. In the parking community, the user initially requests the parking location. If the requested location is available, some slot ID will be generated, and the slot ID only visible to the user if he give their secret ID. Then by using the slot ID, the parking community will work by parking their vehicles. Otherwise, the user cannot park their vehicles. Flow diagram. Initially, the user register the personal detail. After that, he log in. Here, the user profile will be shown. After that, secret key also generated. This also will shown in the user profile. The user need to note down the secret ID. In the user request module, the user will request the required location for parking their vehicle. Before that, the user check the availability location. After that, he select the city name, area, the address also shown. After that, he request. The request will be processed. In the check availability module, the requested location will be compared to with the existing location. If the location is availability, then the parking communities will allocate the user for parking their vehicle. Then they generate some slot ID for parking. By using the security or secret ID, we can get the slot ID for parking the vehicles. If the location is unavailable, the user cannot park their vehicle. Instead of suggestion places will be shown in the check availability module. This is our project demo, Trustworthy Parking Communities. By clicking the location button, the authentication page will be open. Here, for parking their vehicles, the user need to log in. The new user can register here. The user enter their personal detail and sign up here. The sign up process was successful. Then using the username and password, the user need to log in here. Here the user profile will shown like that, their password and a secret key also shown. The user initially they need to note down their secret key for parking their vehicles. Here the user can check the availability location. Here the availability location, so we can find the selected location, and here the parking location will be shown. We need to select the required location, and corresponding Chennai parking location will be shown like that. If we are selecting Madurai, that relevant parking location will be available. If I select the parking area, the corresponding address will show, and I can give the parking time. Yeah, this location is now available. Then I can get the parking lot, and I can park my vehicles. Here it requires a secret key, so in my user profile the secret key initially shown, so I need to provide the corresponding secret key. Here the corresponding parking area and my parking slot displayed. By using the slot ID, I can park my vehicles. Here the parking availability will shown like that. The person who parking and ID, corresponding relevant ID also displayed here. Thank you for listening.